everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of XRP and technical analysis of XRP Ripple coin. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon for new video notification. Thanks for subscribing us. Let's see the live price prediction of XRP coin. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour and technical analysis as you are seeing here. Oh my god, the change is not negative as you can see here, negative 0.27% are change negative as you can see here. And the high change is $0.554292 is the high change in the XRP. That is the current price of XRP as you can see here, $0.550786, and the Bitcoin is equal to 0.0001. So that is the live price prediction for last 1 hour 24 March 2021 you are watching now. Let's see the technical analysis of XRP coin. As you can see now at this point they are going straight and a small falls up, and at this time there is a huge move in XRP. After this their falls are start. As you can see here, they fall down, but at this time, but the end period, they again a big move, about a very huge move at this time as you can see here. So that is selling time. So that is selling time. I said that is selling time. What you can say in the comment. What's your opinion about that? Say your comment, and what's your opinion about XRP. Please press the bell icon also for new latest cryptocurrencies news. Thank you so much for watching this video.